Alright, so this video is going to be very special. It's the 10 subscriber special, but I actually have 12 subscribers the last time I checked. So that's going to be a little bit more special. So I got some great deals today. I went to all the dollar stores in town and got all the not Lego sets that I could find. I was going to spend $10, but it didn't end up being $10 because I didn't find cool ones. So let's just start with one. The first one I got here is a superhero Marvel Adventures, the blind bag. And oh, it's a little Hulk. It's not really Lego-like. It's got opposable arms, I suppose. They're ball joints, actually. Kind of fun. Legs can sit, head turns. Not a bad start. So the second one I got here is a My Blocks Military, compatible with leading brands. Includes one set. There's something on the bottom I was going to read, but I don't remember what it was said. Oh, keep packaging for future reference, so that you can rebuild the thing, I guess. Okay, we got some instructions. And one little bag of parts. I was trying to build it in the dark here. Damn, I might have should have brought scissors. If I lose these pieces in the grass, they're gone forever. Ooh, this looks terrible. The tiny little hubcap piece is not attached to the wheels. It's saying to attach those. We'll do that with the star out. I don't know if you can see it at all, but there's a little star on the one side. The other side is just blank. So let's make up those wheels. They don't really click in or anything. They just kind of sit in there. And there's the other one. Okay, so first step is this long piece. The axles go on first. Then we're using two wedges to make the front, I guess. The blocks feel really flimsy, but they're locking on pretty good, actually. Not super disappointed in that. There's a wedge that shape, the slope piece. This step looks a little complex. We're going to take one of these and put the aiming array thing on it. Something, I don't know, 2 clips, 1 clip. I don't know, it just goes on the middle here. There's nothing there, just like that. Then we have a second one go on top of that? No, behind it. No, but it can't be right. Oh, there are more steps. So there's a flat piece. No, I skipped steps. That's okay. You go left to right, then up to down. It's like 1, 2, next line 3, 4. That's slightly confusing. Another green piece there. Now we add on a little turret piece to here. It's just like a, I don't know what that is. It's like a half Technic pin. It spins, okay. Now we put on the little aiming assemblies. One little clip. Ooh, that's a little loose, but I guess that's what you get, right? The little light, of course, the big guns as shown on the thing, and wheels. Ooh, the wheels actually spin really well. And the whole thing's actually fairly solid. Not gonna die on anything. Aim up and down with the gun. It's not terrible. Those are really long pins for that. Okay, 5 minutes in. So next up is our big set. It's Space Riders building bricks, compatible with all the leading brands or something. Yeah, with other leading brands. Kid Create. On the back it says Papercraft. There's a picture of the ship, of course. Now this one's going to hopefully be a little bit better than that ship. That first one was 26. This is 54. Okay. Big paper instructions. Ooh, there's a lot to do. We have A7 to A9 are the instructions. A10 is the instructions. You know what? I'm gonna get started and pause and come back and see you guys. So the first step is literally just that. So, hang on, we'll be back. I know we're spoiled, but sometimes we have to assemble the steering wheels in not Lego sets. So that was kind of interesting for me, right?
Seems like a lot of effort.
So this one is actually a printed piece, but it's printed upside down. It's on a like inverted wedge, so that's the right ways up, and it's not very easy to read because it's teeny tiny and not in focus. Kind of fun. As I finish up building this here, I just want to point out all the edges are super jagged sharp, which I'm not a fan of. But if that's something you're into, then you should probably get a set like this. Everything goes together with a lot of force. So there's the ship. I got the blue one. I think I missed a piece actually. Oh, I did. I missed to put those handlebars on the front there. So that's a proper spaceship. You got turbines in the back, aimable wings. Kind of fun. Now we're spoiled, you know, in most places because our figures come pre-assembled. And we don't have to shove the tiny, the legs are, they have holes on both sides so that you can put them on either way. That's cute. That helmet's not going on. Okay, got it on. But it's not straight. Let's try one more time. Okay, there it goes. Piece of glass. It's, not terrible looking. Arms need to go in. Of course, they are telling me to do this in the instructions. Nope, that's as far in as that goes, I guess. His hand sticks out awfully awkward. And I do, of course, get to put him in the driver's seat. We'll aim that up, put his butt flat, and he's in. It's not a terrible looking set. It's not great. And I do get one extra hand, so just put that right there. So the last one I got is really special. It's SmackDown Universe Walgreen's exclusive. It's a Rumble collection. Now it could be anyone, including John Cena, apparently. So, I don't see a way to open it actually. It's not good. Hang on. So I went and had to actually find scissors to cut it open. But let's see who we got. We got Daniel Bryan. Ooh, he's got elbows. That's a fun feature. Knees. He's kind of like a weird, like washed out color. Nothing seems to come up. Never mind. Nothing seems to come apart, and then it comes apart. His beard does come off. He's kind of cool. He does have a stud in there. You can't exactly see, but that's all right. So that's what I ended up with for $3, $1, $1, $1, $6. Pretty good. So we're gonna try this real easy with just a match and see if this works at all. What's that guy's name? Daniel Bryan's is fighting Space and then Hulk. It's kind of in the shadows there. Let's see if we can't get that a little better. Yep, he gets to fight the army, military. What did it say? Yeah, military. So, see if it goes. Kind of stuck it in there, and you know, not seeing any change. Okay, let's try this for real.
Wait.
Ooh.
There we go.
Wait, I got it. It's actually burning. Like I'm a little surprised by that. It's like consuming it. It's very bright on the camera. I don't know what you'll be able to see or not, but it's actually going to work. I'm a little surprised. It's engulfing everything slowly. Probably shouldn't breathe that. And bring the fan, of course, though. There goes Brian. Or Daniel? Yeah, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. I have no idea if Lego actually burns like this or not.
You could probably find videos of it either burning or not burning.
I'd assume it burns almost identical. They're pretty close.
I would assume it burns similarly. That smoke though, it's like dark.
It is. Probably full of lead.
Probably.
You know, I have no idea if the Hulk's going to be able to join in the fun or not. So I actually ran out of memory on my main storage on my phone, so we're on the memory card now. As you can see, the Hulk is getting the military vehicle all nice and crispy. We're gonna bump him in though, just so he can have fun too. Oh, that military vehicle is getting really blistery actually. We might have ruined that pan. I did use Reynolds wrap though. Sponsor me, please.
Oh,
Should I go get the fan?
that is stinky smoke. Probably shouldn't roast marshmallows over this.
To be fair, if it was John Cena, we were gonna save everyone. and they weren't going to be roasted at all.
It looks like they could almost have metals in the way that they're like flicking.
I think that's the foil.
Is that?
I'm not positive.
Maybe that's just how plastic burns. I have to be honest, I've never burned this much plastic.
Me neither.
When I burn plastic, it's usually because I like put a curling iron against something. Just like burns a little indent.
Oh. Something that everyone on my channel will be able to review, to relate to.
Hopefully.
All 7% of the females.
7% of the females of the 12.
Out of the 100% of viewers. There's also like 2% are from Hungary. Shout out to Hungary.
Pretty cool.
It's getting really hot around my phone.
Lovely. That's good for it, I'm sure.
Probably.
Two people have watched my videos of your stuff burning.
Wow, that was quick. This is gonna basically be viral. I've not even uploaded it yet.
Snapchat there.
I'm aware. At least there's no mosquitoes around.
Burning plastic helps with that.
I figured out the cure to Zika. No, I actually didn't. Don't pretend like I did. Do you think it'll ever stop burning?
Probably.
Oh, there's a spider.
Making a web.
It's pretty entertaining.
The spider will make your web near me. I can't tell where it is now because of depth perception. I have really bad depth perception. Especially in glasses.
Good job.
I have better depth perception with contacts. True story.
Glad I brought the whole matchbook because we only needed that one. I think there'll be a dead spot in the grass.
Yeah. It worked kinda. There's not enough really wind out for it to like be strongly blowing in one direction.
Yeah.
So
So, I want to rate these on flammability. The Star Rider was pretty good. You know, definitely long, consistent burn. Military wasn't anything special. I guess it didn't have enough bulk, probably. What's that guy's name? Daniel Bryan. He I don't know. Maybe he was part of the Star Riders long burning, and Hulk is actually holding up very well. If you can see it at all, his feet and hands are still not burnt. They're like a little melty, but he was made out of better stuff probably. I think at full retail he was the most expensive. Just a little caveat for you.
I'm very excited that I'm now going to smell like burnt plastic for days. Yay.
In the future, people will want to smell like that after going camping. Because of plastic forests. There won't be real forests in the future.
Yeah.
Technology. So if you've made it this far into the video, congratulations. You're the big winner of the secret prize, which is the rest of the video.
You're not going to speed up the burning?
No, this is all happening in live action.
Oh gosh. No one's going to watch your whole video.
This is 7 minutes and 40 seconds into this clip, which is on the SD
no
card.
No one's watching this far.
It's okay.
There's no viewers right now.
I'm sure there's going to be a couple viewers.
No.
Someday when, like,
maybe someone who skipped to the end of the video because they thought something interesting was going to happen, but they were wrong.
To be fair, fire.
Fire is way more interesting than in person, though.
Some people don't have personal fires. They're not all rich.
Tip to those people who aren't rich but want their own personal fires: you can get free matchbooks at certain like restaurants and such, and you can go to like garage sales and buy really cheap toys and burn them yourself, so that you can also have this much joy.
I have no idea if they can hear you or not, but we don't condone arson, and we do have a bucket of water.
How's that arson?
No, that's not. I'm just saying, don't arson, people.
That's a totally separate thing.
I just wanted to get that across, like, for the 3 viewers that are still here. No arson, please. I guess if they do, I mean, I can't exactly stop you, but don't, like, clear your browser history. For me, not the other stuff. They can find your other stuff. So, back to the Hulk's burning ability. He's completely not on fire in that one part. I'm pretty sure the things that are on fire are the Star Rider and the military. And the Star Rider doesn't look like he's got a whole lot left to burn.
Ooh, smell that stinky plastic.
If you inhale that smoke, you're basically going to become a superhero.
Oh, exciting.
That's almost exactly how the middle of Captain America, the First Avenger, happened.
I really hope I get cool powers.
You'll have the ability to make anything out of basically Lego.
Almost Lego powers?
There was a Ben 10 alien that was that, though. You remember that?
No.
There was a Ben 10 alien that was made out of not Lego bricks.
I do not remember that.
I want to say his name was like Blockhead or something, because Ben was really good at naming things.
He wasn't.
Forearms? I mean, like, if he was from Japan, he would have named that Machamp, but forearms. just in case, like, I don't actually think of a video for a Christmas special, this is my Christmas special too. 10 subscriber and Christmas special all in one. You guys are super lucky to have me. Fire's not hotter than the inside of an oven, right? I mean, what's fire burn at? I'm pretty sure that pan's gonna be fine. I really hope that pan underneath is fine. Hey, you know who's a Marvel superhero? The Human Torch.
I knew you were going to say him.
Johnny Tsunami? No, Johnny Storm. Tsunamis are storms though, so you can't really say I'm wrong.
I can say it wrong, because of it.
Oh. So I'm not 100% sure, but I think that is actually military that's still burning. I think Hulk's completely burned out. He didn't actually burn that well. He still got color on his pants and feet and hands. You still see green in there. Nothing else retained color. You can see kind of where Star Rider was. Daniel Bryan is completely gone. Hulk is mostly there. Military is still on fire. I can see where the large guns on the front of that are still kind of holding their own shape a little bit. So compared to the hour-long Big Bang Theory building video, this is easy for you guys to watch. This is audio and everything. Oh, the cricket died. Just when you think the military is going to stop burning, it keeps flaring up just a little bit. Can't imagine there'd be much military left to burn. time invested in this video is considered production value, this is like multi-million-dollar quality here.
It might smell worse now.
It might smell worse now. On the bright side, it can't possibly burn much longer. There's no colors left. So we've got to be getting close to 30 minutes at this point, I'm sure. A lot more time than I thought it would take, honestly. So I just thought of a really good life hack. Apparently one match and $1 is all you need to have a several minute fire. Probably buy a candle though, but it's a little boring. Alright, I'm calling it. So the reason we use name brand Reynolds Wrap is for easy cleanup. Oh, that was very easy to clean up.